Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another crypto related video. This video make for a new mining site. So its age is now 30 days. So if you invest this site, you can now save. So I hope you will be investment in the same for watching my video. Okay, so I hope you will you depend. Okay, now I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Crypto and Travel. Here is the two part. One part crypto related video uploaded in this, other part travel related video uploaded in this. If you get any information, those you please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive all notifications very fast. Okay. Every day I try to upload it in tester side, and now ongoing and favorite type mining site in my YouTube channel. So if you watch this video, you will easily earning and more earning every day. So I hope you will be watch my video and also follow my all video. Now I introduce my main topic. Okay, raise the new mining site. The Galacticash is the new mining site. If you earning more and more, you must be join this site. There is some plan available here. I also show you. First option here is the activity option. When you joining this, you get signing. Every day you must be signing it. Okay, and where is your main tax here? That is the tax option. First off, and you click this, you will be mining. There is a plan here. There is a zero plan inter plan. Here is a other plan. A Z1 is the other plan. Here is a mining profit ratio and 10 quantities. Minimum $20 is deposited in this site. G2, G3 is the mining available here. Okay, so here is your portfolio. When you join this, you get a $20. I also already joined this site, but I also show you how to join this. Okay, so here is my revenue. You will be free mining only 2 days. Okay, there is a mining available here. Other, if you after two days, you cannot mining at this site. Okay, it's a new mining site. So if you joining this site, you will easily more earning from this site, and this site is stay now for long time. So now I go to my main topic. When you click my link, you get some filling the box. Here is a registration page. You type your nickname, phone number, and also email. Type your password and retype your password, and please fill up the captcha and also register button. But you don't miss out. Otherwise, you cannot join this site. The new mining site and long lasting mining. So I always feel it previously, but I now for your easily feel this for so I now retype it. I fill up this all information. Now register button and also register it. Okay, what do you know? Please go to activity option, sign in gift, and check it now. When you complete, you get a 10 USDT. Now you go to this option, Here is a mining option. Please click this. Okay, it will be processing. Now what do you um here's some other information to you. Must be if you withdraw from this oh, okay, another information, you need to verify your ID. Please come to your profile option. Please click withdraw option and select your receiver account. Okay, so add your receiver account. Okay, select ERC20 or TRC20. So I select TRC20. Go to your wallet address and copy now, paste now, and click now, press the button. It will be added. You can edit this your another account. Okay, you can every time change it. Okay, it's opportunity for you. Okay, now I'm waiting for another. Here is some option here. KYC certification. How to KYC? Please type your name and KYC. Complete your KYC. Okay. I fill up this. First your name, type your name and ID number, and also date of birth. Here is my ID number and also birth, date of birth, and here's other part. How to upload this? Please click this option, and easily upload. Okay, so now what to do you? Please click this option. It will be under review. Okay, so don't worry, it will be verified very soon. Now how to deposit at this site? Okay, I'll show you. Come to your home option. Okay, so click this recharge option and select this your amount. Now select this USD you pay. Okay, I already click this. Okay, when it complete, and go to my wallet address. Click my another. Also check in another JYTJ. Now I fill up this and submit it. Submit KYC verification. Okay, my video is submitted. Confirm now. And now I waiting for deposit. Alhamdulillah, I already received this. Here is my wallet address balance. Okay, so now what do you? Go to this option. First of you select this activity option. As middle point you go, and now you go to this next level. Okay, click this next level. And click to now unlock. Okay, I confirm it. Okay, confirm button, press the confirm button. Now please write up sign option and confirm button. That's the thus you can upgrade your version. Now I am working. Alhamdulillah, I complete my tasks. So if you want to withdraw from this, you need to only $2. You can, when you get $2, you can withdraw from this side. Inshallah, I will make this video in future, so within few days. So don't miss out. Stay with me and keep watching my video. Don't forget, like my video. Have you a problem? Please type my video comments. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.